Setting up Webpack Module Federation can be a puzzle, especially when you're managing multiple remote apps. Both ChatGPT and Claude claim to help, but which one actually writes a working configuration faster? In this test, we asked each AI to generate a Webpack config for a host app consuming 2 remotes, a header and a product list. ChatGPT produced a clean, minimal config with clear comments, but it assumed the remotes were already exposed correctly. Claude, on the other hand, included explicit error handling for missing exposes and even suggested a shared dependency strategy to avoid duplicate React instances. When we introduced a deliberate bug, a mismatched remote entry file name, ChatGPT offered a generic fix, while Claude traced the exact path mismatch and provided a corrected import map. For debugging, Claude's step-by-step reasoning saved time, but ChatGPT's brevity was better for quick scaffolding. The takeaway: use Claude for complex, multi-step configurations and ChatGPT for straightforward setups where you know the structure.